Babay na ka kuya. Babay first.
Yes, and house. House.
Dami mong bit-bit ah.
Yeah.
Ay talaga si Manang Yara talaga.
It's too heavy, I think.
Ha?
Because the truth there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Dami mong bit-bit ah. What's that other bag? I'll give you that.
Mom tried to give me this one, and Daddy tried to give me this, the black.
Oh, the black one?
Yeah.
Oh, turn around. We'll see. Turn around. Oh, okay. Let's go. Oh, wow. Oh, what do you want to say kay Ate Kara at Mama Yoli the bag?
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, tara na, tawid na. Tara na.
Thank you.
Tara si Manang Yara talaga. Ah.
I'm gonna come back.
Ha?
I'm coming in your home now.
Okay. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
See you next video.
We can have some next video. And we can have so much fun.